Well, there's Levi. There's Jaden, my other son that nobody's got to meet yet. We're over here at the Catawba River. Up here close to another dam at a different fishing location. We're gonna walk down through here and see what it's like. Let's walk over here and
smell a little bit of cigarettes.
you can't smell no cigarettes out here.
The water. It's a little deep. There will be some fish in here, right?
Yeah, there's fish in here. Get back from the water, Levi. It's just finding them.
Right in there. See what happens.
You see, they've got picnic tables right here.
Look.
This is which the water's moving pretty fast right here.
And that's why it's a river, right?
Yeah, that's why it's a river. But can you see the dam right there through the trees and all?
Yeah.
I used to fish up there at the dam. There's a lot of catfish up there at the dam.
There still might be too.
Yeah, there's still catfish up there, but right now we can't get to
Is
it.
that a dam?
No, that's a tree.
Oh. I can't really tell what's a dam and what's not.
You see the concrete up there that goes all the way across the river?
Yeah.
That's the dam.
Oh.
It holds the water back. On the other side of that dam, it's probably close to 100 foot deep. Okay, where to stick them at?
I did it, Daddy.
Yeah, but you might have thrown it over mine, but that'll be all right, right there. Let it sit right there. That was a good cast. Real good cast. You used to be real good at casting.
If there is a fish biting, I can't tell because it would probably be too small. What is
Okay, put that in your pocket and stick it in one of your pockets.
It's supposed to make their pockets warm.
So you can put your hands in there and
Why is it sitting up like that?
because you're across my line.
Oh.
Put this one in the other pocket. I'll go change it. Don't pull it. Let me go take it and take it over the top of mine. There. There you go. It's off of it. And I'll get you a set of hand warmers.
How can you tell if there's a fish at it?
It'll bob down.
It'll like pull all the way down to the.
Yeah, if it's a big enough fish, it'll pull it all the way up underneath the water.
That's when I have to start reeling it in.
Yep.
It'll just like quickly go all the way into the water.
Yeah. Sometimes it'll just peck and bounce there, and sometimes it'll go slap up underneath the water. That's why you gotta watch it.
It can't get off sometimes, Dad?
No, once you set the hook, you can't get off of it. Here, put this in there. Set your rod in your holder.
Did I put this in my pocket?
Yeah, put it in your pocket and then put your rod in the thing there. That way you can put your hands inside your pockets.
Like this?
And then you can just sit there and watch your cork. Put that one in that and yellow one, and hopefully they'll start.
Is the stuff inside poisonous?
Yeah.
It's supposed to make your pockets warm? It's what it's supposed to do?
Yeah, it's supposed to heat up your hands. Not make your pockets warm, but make your hands warm. See, Levi, you just got a bite. Your cork went slap up underneath water and you wasn't even paying attention. See?
You have to bite?
Hold on.
Go in, Daddy.
No, he's hung up. But fish got him hung up.
Go in, Daddy. Look how you're stringing.
You're hung up, it ain't gonna reel in.
Just try ripping it out.
I don't want to rip it because I don't want to lose the float.
Come here.
Well, see all the bubbles out there? There's a fish there.
Get it out. Look how you're stringing.
Jason, really just string it. You got it way over here some a little bit.
No.
Reel it on in. A
Mine?
little bit. Yeah, just a little bit more. Reel it on in a little bit. Come on. You're reeling it the wrong way. Turn the reel over, son, like this right here. There. Now. There you go. Now reel it. There. There you go. Whoa.
What?
Whoa.
It's a straw butt. Right from your pocket.
Well, see? You just lost that float dog.
The fish got away? It lifted, wasn't it? That was a fast fish. Did the fish get away?
Yeah.
Shot. If you ever see bubbles, that means you got a fish too.
It means it's catfish.
So he probably was gonna have a catfish.
Yeah, but he's wrapped up around that stump or something down there, so now I've got to go restring his up again.
Oh, I think I got a bite. I think
Reel it in. Hot, you got a root.
A root?
Yeah, you caught a root.
What?
Yeah. Lift it up. Take the root off of it and cast it back out there again.
That was a bit weird. I actually think this is actually fun.
It is fun, son. It's relaxing. You throwed it over my line.
Uh-oh, and my thing looks like it's floating in midair now.
Yeah, because you throwed it over my line. Hang on.
It's floating, Papa! Yeah, I'm not on water, so it looks like it's floating in the air because you can't see it. See the thing holding. Well, now I think I might actually know what it feels like now.
Right.
With the root, but if it's a fish, it'll be like bigger. I was actually able to tell that my thing went underwater too.
Yeah, that piece of root or whatever was floating down and got hung up on your line, and it pulled your cork under. Wait until you actually catch a fish. Well, welcome everybody to Fresh Carolina Cats. Me and my boys is out here seeing if we can catch some today. My son Jaden's already had one good bite and he lost it, but it was a root. Levi got hung up from a fish, and we lost his bobber and weight and hook. So we throwed it back out there close to the same vicinity to see if we can maybe get another bite here and see. Just hang with us and let's see if we get anything. Jaden wanted to go over there to be by himself a little bit so he's not getting tangled up on my rods now. Well, we're gonna go see if we can try to go fishing again this morning. Yesterday was a little bust. We went over there at the Catawba River over there, and the river was up real hard. The current was flowing real fast. Both my little boys caught a brim. I think one was a brim, one was a bluegill. But they ended up getting right there at the bank and losing them. But we had fun and all, and my baby got mad because he wasn't allowed to sit there and throw rocks in the river, so he was ready to go home. When I said I was going fishing this morning, he wanted to know why he couldn't go, and I said, well, maybe it's 38 degrees outside, and I don't want you to get cold. I just taken a couple short little videos of me driving over to a different location over at another part of the Catawba River. Right now they've got the lake access closed off, so I can't get into the lake part of Lake Hickory. So we're gonna ride over this way and go over there and see if how the water looks over there at McGuire. I may try to walk out there to that point that I've been talking about and see how things are doing. And I bought me a Lawrence fish finder. It's a castable fish finder that you put on your rod and reel and cast out there, and it remotely does everything by Wi-Fi to connect with my cell phone. So right now they've got them things on sale, over $70 off right now. I found it online last night at Sports Academy and done some research and had a lot of good reviews and all on it, and I figured, okay, well, it's $149, but they wasn't advertising that they was on sale. So I went up there to look at it, and I was going to look at the red and white bobber that does the same thing, and I decided to go with the Lawrence. And I got up there at the cash register and it had a promotion going on, $70 off. So it cost me 80 bucks last night. It has 3D mapping, 3D fish, real life fish, or sonar. You can set the sensitivity to where you can see the little fish. You can set it to where you can only see the big fish. It goes out 50 meters wide and up to 150 foot deep. Bank fishing, I doubt I'm gonna get up to 150 foot deep, so I'm gonna give it a shot and we're gonna see how this thing works. The high today is supposed to get up to about like 54 or so, but it's quite chilly this morning. I grabbed me one of my Milo's teas that my wife bought me to take with me this morning, and we're gonna see if we can catch something, and we'll talk with y'all here in a little bit. Yeah, we're back out here fishing. Whatever it was that was pecking on it, sucked that baby shad right off my damn hook there. So I throwed about 4 more on there, and I got it thrown back out there again. And I tightened up the drag just a smidgen, so we're gonna see. I tried to get it right back in the same place that I had it in, but with this wind blowing, it's hard to say. Ain't nothing hit it hard, so kind of curious. Well, I've been out here for about 4 hours. I had a couple of good bites, but that was it. I got a feeling they were too small to take that chicken, so they must have been just real small baby channel cats or something out there. But good news is my fish finder seemed to do pretty good. When I had it close to the bank and everything, I could see all the way at the bottom, see the rocks and the tree trunks and the stumps and all out there and the limbs and all up underneath the water. So I'll be glad to try this thing out in Lake Norman or something out there where I don't have the current going so fast. That way I can check this thing out a little more, and I will keep y'all updated on the next video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, click the subscribe and like button and the little bell for the notification. Thank you very much. Catch you next time.